Hey. Hi. This is Sophie. I'm Cassandra. I'm here to show you my vegan and cruelty-free makeup routine. Every product that you're gonna see is cruelty-free and most of them are vegan, if not all. But these are my dogs if you'd like to see them. This is Tucker and this is Sophie. Oh my god. So, I thought about doing like an introductory video, a first video, a video about me, and then I thought I don't like talking about myself, and talking to a camera feels like I'm unhinged and crazy enough. So, I guess I'm going to show you how I do my makeup. So I'm sure if you're watching this and you're just my friend and you know me, so you know that I'm vegan. But if you don't know, me, I'm vegan, so I'm gonna show you how I do my makeup with only cruelty-free and vegan products. There's a couple products that are questionable, I guess. This is not a tutorial. So this is Tarte's Poreless Primer. I used to use, doesn't have the ingredients on it. I got this one for free and I thought that this brand, like I just kind of assumed that it would be vegan, but their mascara and stuff has like honey in it. They're cruelty free, but like they're not vegan. So I got this one recently. So I have a lot of foundations that I cycle through, and it kind of depends on what kind of day I'm having and like if I want like full coverage or if I just want like a tinted moisturizer. So this is like the first like nice vegan foundation that I got. It's like the Born This Way one, but I kind of don't like it anymore. It like, I don't know, I feel like it dries weird and like you can just like see like my pores. I have like really big pores, but I feel like it just dries and you can like see them. And then I have like the Fenty Beauty one, which I like, but it dries so fast. That one I only wear if like I'm doing something and I need like really full coverage foundation. This one's controversial because I bought Nars tinted moisturizer and I love it because it's just a tinted moisturizer and it's like not that heavy. They just recently like are selling in China, which like requires animal testing, so I'm not gonna be buying this again, but it's really nice and I'm probably gonna use it a little bit today. I bought it before this happened, so. And yeah, so I also have this. It's like the cheapest one, and e.l.f. is all like vegan and cruelty free pretty much. So I usually like mix this because this is like the Acne Fighting Foundation, which I definitely have. So it's helpful sometimes. Yeah, I also just like the way Nars goes on. It's like a lot easier of an application. With like the Fenty one, it dries so fast that like you really have to like put it on your face in sections, which is super annoying because I like doing it all at once. Otherwise, like I feel like I'll put like different amounts on like different sections of my face. So, you know, it's really a pick your battle kind of game. I don't know if you can hear my dog snoring through this entire video, so that's just how it's gonna be, I guess. Okay, so I also use Tarte's concealer. Everyone uses Shape Tape. Shape Tape is good, but my favorite one that I found so far is like it's called Aqua Sealer. I like this one a lot better, probably because I have oily skin. I don't like putting a lot of concealer on also. I'm stressed the f out. So my camera stopped recording. So then I like looked it up and had to reformat the SD card. It's just a very scary process because I just want this stupid camera. Okay. Back to our regularly scheduled programming. Do you guys think my dog is cute? Do they think you're cute? I don't know. They might think you're ugly. They might think you're an ugly dog. Well, my makeup would have looked nice if I didn't have to stop for 20 minutes and freak out and everything dry before I finished. Usually I use the Mercier translucent powder. And I don't know if I'm gonna buy it again because their website is weird, and I got it from Sephora, and on Sephora I'd searched like vegan powders and like that's what came up. And on Laura Mercier's website they're cruelty free, but they don't like say that they're vegan. But I was looking at the ingredients on this. I'm like, I don't think that there's any animal products in it, so I think it's vegan, but I'm not an expert. You know, sometimes you just sit down and want to film a nice video, and other times, every obstacle that life could throw at you, it does. And yeah. Alright, so I'm using NYX Finishing Powder. NYX is cruelty free, and it says that they're vegan friendly, so I'm pretty sure that this is vegan. I've been vegan for like 3.5 years, and it's taken me about that time to even consider that all my makeup is vegan and cruelty free. Just because makeup's expensive and like finding stuff that you like is really hard. So do the best you can, I guess, is what I'm trying to say. I'm literally so stressed out that like my eyebrow won't get out of this position. You want some? You can't have any. I'm sorry. You're so cute. Oh boy. I'm gonna use the Born This Way Natural Love eyeshadow palette. I have like really light eyes and light hair and light skin. It's hard for me to do like anything drastic. So I usually just like doing like gold or like pink, like light colors. Sometimes I try to do red and then I just look like I'm gonna kill someone, which is like fair, but so this is the Fenty Beauty Fly Liner. Fenty's foundation is vegan, and I recently just learned via Google that not everything that they have is vegan. This isn't, I don't think, or it's just not listed. But there's so many like just words that I don't understand, so maybe they could have animal pride products in it, but I'm pretty sure this is safe. I'm sorry if it's not. You do your best in these trying times. They said that a lot of their products have honey or beeswax in it. This goes on so nicely, I can't even take it. Okay, that's pretty even. So I'm weird, but I usually don't put mascara on until the end, so. Okay, so for blush I'm using an oldie but a goodie. I've literally had this for like 3 years, 2 years maybe. In Love Hangover by Too Faced. For highlighter I'm using this really worn out Colourpop Showtime eyeliner. This one I'm pretty sure is vegan. It takes a lot of magic to make it look good. Oh, I forgot to do my eyebrows. God damn it. Okay. For my brows, I use the NYX 3-in-1 Brow Pencil in Blonde. It's the only one that's like never been too dark for me. So that's really the only reason why I use it. I don't really do that much to my eyebrows. I just kind of fill them in. And then brush them out. I don't do contour or anything. For contour I have this like Tarte sculptor thing. I never use it. I also have this Too Faced like their chocolate thing. That one works really nice. I like powders better. And that's definitely vegan. So I talked about this brand before, but I got these for free. This was like Honest Beauty was like their mascara primer, like with their mascara, and I love it so much. It's like my favorite mascara I've ever used. And I used to use the Too Faced Better Than Sex one, but that one always like stained underneath my eyelids. And this one was so great, but it has like beeswax and like honey in it. So I just recently started using the e.l.f. Mascara Primer. It's like the only one. I just feel like it makes my mascara look so much better. And then I just recently got this Tarte Gifted Amazonian Clay Mascara. It's okay. It's not bad. I'm just like, I miss the mascara that I was using. But it's okay. I'm gonna let this dry first before I put mascara on. Like I said, this isn't like the best mascara I've ever had, but like because I used the primer, it just like makes my eyelashes so much nicer and like bigger. So for my lip, I'm gonna use the Colourpop Ultra Satin Lip in Dopey. Again, not all of their stuff is vegan, but they have like a pretty specific list as to like which ones aren't, so just like look it up before you buy them. So that's pretty much all the makeup I use, like pretty much like whenever. I don't really do anything more than that to my face, to be honest. And then this Urban Decay's setting sprays, the all-nighter one, that's vegan, which is nice because this is like the best setting spray I've ever used. Everyone says that NYX one is good. That one doesn't work for me. This one keeps my face on and like nothing changes. So yeah, that's the end of the video. I know not everything that I used was like completely vegan, but everything was cruelty-free. And like I said, like I've been vegan for 3 years and it took me this long to even get to where I am as far as makeup. So I'm not putting this video out to be like, you should use cruelty-free and vegan makeup, but I'm just saying like it's possible, it's affordable. There's some things that are like more expensive, and there's some things that like only a few companies like have products for. Like the e.l.f. Mascara Primer is like pretty much the only vegan one that I've ever seen or like heard of. But yeah, that was it. Thanks for watching.